Noise reduction in the classroom. Objective: teachers will be able to select and use a variety of noise reduction techniques in the classroom in order to enhance student learning. Noise can come from inside and outside the classroom. Some of these noises can make it harder for students to learn. Here are a few ways to reduce the noise in order to optimize learning and student engagement. Two factors that can affect acoustics. Factor 1, background noise. Any sound that makes it hard to hear. Background noise can come from any place. Examples are cars, lawnmowers, students talking in the hallway, students in the room, or an AC unit running. Factor 2, reverberation. How sounds act in a room after they first happen. Sounds stay in the room when they bounce off desks or walls. If many sounds do this all at once, it can get very loud. Did you know? Poor acoustics can cause problems with how well students learn and behave. Poor acoustics can affect how students understand, read, spell, and behave in the classroom. Additionally, it affects how they pay attention and/or concentrate. That is why it is important to keep the classroom as quiet as possible for all students. A quiet classroom helps teachers and students. It is especially important to have a quiet room if the student has 1. Hearing loss, 2. A learning disability, 3. Speech and language delay, and 4. Attention problems. Ways to improve acoustics or reduce background noise. 1. Place rugs or carpets in the room. 2. Hang curtains or blinds in the windows. 3. Hang soft materials such as felt or cork board on the walls. 4. Place tables at an angle around the room instead of rows. Five, turn off noisy equipment when it's not in use. 6, replace noisy light fixtures. 7, show students how hard it can be to hear when many children talk at the same time. And 8, place soft tips on the bottom of chairs and tables.